We know through our scholarship and through our research that there is actually a very exciting agenda or research agenda that is emerging when it comes to issues of patriarchy, ecofeminism, and women's rights within the Abrahamic traditions and in the larger Middle East.
What does this correlation between gender and environment mean? Are we promoting better involvement of women in strategy to combat climate change? Is it understood that an environmentalist approach to public policies can only be conducted if it were also feminist?
We know that the oppression of the environment is also the oppression of women and human rights, whether it's men or women. Islam is actually environmentally affirming. It has a unique perspective, and it's a relational view with the environment.
Islam mandates that human beings are part of the holistic environmental system, yet they assume the role of responsible leaders as trustees of God on earth.
This idea of being a mother or working in the public sphere from that place of motherhood goes far beyond the question of am I specifically a mother or not, right? It's a role in society, it's in the rhetoric, it has to do with the affect, the care for the future, this idea that our house is on fire, so we are protecting our house.
Current calls for sustainability accept the view of the given hierarchies in the world, systems that need disruption. It is only in interruption that the possibility of redemption is visible. Where to seek the justification for interruption, I think a clear voice can be found in the text of Jewish thought.
Humanism that gathers itself under the heading of old Abraham may well be indispensable to the solution of the climate crisis and all of the entangled problems with it.